Hello everybody. So it's been a while since I done an actual video and not a short. So I had some stuff to trade in and all that. So I got some store credit. So I got a mystery box with DVDs and Blu-rays. So I always wanted to get one of these. So let's open it up and let's see what's in here. Take that off. Hang on. Sorry, ripped up the tape. And let's see what's in here. Oh, interesting. So we have Dreamer, Kurt Russell, and Dakota Fanning. Never watched it. We have Return to Me. Never heard of it. Big Bang Theory. Complete third season. I might know who would want that, actually. True Blood. Complete first season. That's kind of cool. Big Bang Theory again. If I can grab it. Complete fourth season. Look at that. That's awesome. Ghost Town. Never heard of it. Okay, that's cool. Another Big Bang Theory. Complete first season. That's cool. Terminator 2. Judgment Day. That's cool. 17 again. Zac Efron. What is this? The Last of the Mohicans? Okay. Step Brothers. That's funny. Superman Returns. I think I've seen this one. I think. Procedon. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong. It's in the Blockbuster case. Eagle Eye. Hansel and Gretel. Some interesting movies in here. Faster. It's like a Dirty Dancing collection from Walmart. College Unrated. It's part one of those college party movies. Yeah. Rated R. Wild Card. Runaway Bride. What is this? The Andreville Whore. Oh, it's in the Blockbuster case. Accepted. No Blu-rays yet. Indiana Jones. Blockbuster case. I think they're all DVDs. Another Blockbuster case. Ben Stiller's in this movie. The Heartbreak Kid. Street Kings. Sneakers. Fire with Fire. I've never heard of these movies. I recognize some of the Big Bang Theory. Oh, The Passion. The Assault on Pandrick. 13. Cop Out. Okay, Pierce Brosnan, Salma Hayek. Okay, that's cool. Quid Pro Uno? Never even heard of this. Never heard of it. Vertical Limit? Yeah, never heard of these movies. What's this one? The Curious Case of Benjamin Button. Okay. Oh, got a collection of the Rat Patrol complete series. It's complicated. I think I've seen this. A complete series of Moonlight. That's interesting. Gossip Girl, complete second season. I heard Sebastian Bach made a cameo in that. The Lone Ranger. Almost done. Wild Hogs. Seabiscuit. Lucky You. The Other Guys. Gossip Girl, complete first season. Sherlock Holmes. A double pack. Sea of Angels and Michael. That's cool. Oops. Jim Carrey. The Unfortunate Lemony Snicket's A Series of Fortunate Events. And Going the Distance. Going the Distance. Drew Barrymore and Justin Long. And the last one is White Out. So I have a little so this is the stack on it. A decent selection. I'll probably retrade in some of these. But I'll check out these seasoned DVDs, or I might watch it. But yeah. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I should have more content coming out. Sooner or later, I'll do that. Like maybe some of my gaming collection or an update of my vinyl collection. I should have that soon, and I should have I need to get one of those phone tripods so I don't have to hold it. I think it would be better. Or if you guys can let me know which phone tripod I should use, or recommend me one. But yeah. So I'm thinking about getting another one of these someday. So yeah. But hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.